Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Flat. It is Tuesday, April 21st, and we have a Zoom meeting today. It will take place at 6 p.m. Benin time, 1 o'clock in the afternoon East Coast time, and 10 a.m. Pacific time. So I am looking forward to having a chance to have a conversation with you guys. It should be fun. 7-year-olds, bring your invitations and your knowledge about Martin Luther King. 6s, bring your poems with you. We want to do a little bit of sharing with each other. Parents, you received the updated link that came out today. Please click on that, and it also has the password that you need to use to get in. Okay, let's talk about tomorrow though. 6s, you have some poetry questions that you need to answer in complete sentences. Don't forget capital letters and end punctuation. You also are continuing to work on some 3D shapes, and you will also work in your skinny book as well on the 3D shapes. 7s, you are working on a compare and contrast Venn diagram for Benjamin Franklin. You can go back into the book and look for facts there. You also have some work in your Journeys notebook that you're going to be doing today. And you have your spelling words and your spelling sentences. We are also going back to measurement. We are going to start with centimeters, which are a part of the metric system. You'll be watching a video first to introduce yourself to it. Like I said, I look forward to talking to you tomorrow morning. So have a great day of learning, and I will see you in the evening if you're Benin time, and I will be starting the meeting at 10 a.m. from my house in California. Everyone have a great day. Bye.